for this work, and we're gonna continue to record as I move forward. And to help me, she's my helper. Look at that. Like that. Little diagonal so that you don't end up hitting the seat when you sit. Straighten out. Otherwise, it's really hard to get the exact measurement because it's very small. I made the exact middle line where it gets, and then I'm gonna I marked the half. I need this 2x6. I'm gonna cut in the side and put the tabletop support. Now, 2.5 screw. 1 inch long, 4 legs. Now I'm gonna cut 30-degree angle to each one of it. I'm gonna cut this leg like that. Like that. I'm gonna stick around for a while. And I'm running short in one of the slots, so I'm going to go to Home Depot. Just both ones so that can get onto 90-degree straight. So it's gonna keep it 90 degrees straight down. It's like a little square thing here. All you need to do is you need to hammer it so it's gonna lock it in place. And then you do this. And this with the pliers, and then it's pretty sturdy. Maybe I use the glasses or something to draw the line, and then I'm gonna use a jig to just curve it out. After that, I'm gonna have to heavy sand it. Top coating, and yeah, and that should be it. And that's every end of the project. And I need to finish that, almost done. And underneath, for underneath, once I done the other way around, and I'm gonna do the rest.